My wife has been hounding me to change our guest bathroom showerhead for some time now. I guess it's time to actually do it.
All I can say is, it's about time. I'm taping this to show you just how easy it is. Please don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to our channel. My husband will be removing the old showerhead and replacing it with this brand new Delta showerhead. First, remove the old showerhead. Remove any loose debris from the shower arm treads. Wrap the shower arm treads with Teflon tape, going in a clockwise direction. Screw on the new showerhead. Use a pair of pliers to tighten it to the shower arm. And that's all there's to it. If you found this video helpful, then please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.